Hello, my name is Dory O'Neill, and congratulations on becoming a member of my Master Affiliate Profits team. What we're about to do together is something extraordinary. We're bringing the best marketing techniques of the past, and we're blending them into modern online technologies. And you're about to learn things that have been forgotten because people have made the mistake of thinking that technology overcomes old techniques that help people achieve success. And in reality, the word team, which the acronym means together everyone achieves more, is one of the methods that I've applied to my students in the past. And you may be thinking, do these techniques work? Well, over my 50-year career, I've actually enrolled over 1 million people cooperatively with other members of my team. And we have taught and trained these methods to many, many people from all across the globe. And people that embrace the concept of community building have generated income that is not only more than they've ever made in their entire lives, it's income that is recurring because people love the sense of being part of a supportive community. And we're making a supportive community for the members of my team. So enjoy this course, follow it to the letter, take action, spend the necessary time, the time that you can allot, take it seriously, and you will change your life, become the entrepreneur that you've always wanted to become, and you will enjoy a lifestyle that's second to none. Enjoy, and we'll see you on the success side of Master Affiliate Profits. Goodbye.